an anthropometric study of facial and nasal indices in Western Maharashtrian males. This study focused on measuring facial and nose shapes in young men from Western Maharashtra, India, to understand how these features vary and what they can tell us about race and ethnicity. The research involved 535 male students aged 18 to 20 from 5 cities: Sangli, Kolhapur, Islampur, Karad, and Satara. Using precise digital tools, researchers measured their faces and noses while sitting, following standard scientific methods. The results showed that the average facial index, a ratio of face height to width, was 89.51, with most men having a long, narrow face type called leptoprosopic, 46.73%. The rarest face type was hypereuroprosopic, very wide and short, found in only 0.19% of participants. For the nasal index, nose width to height ratio, the average was 72.84, with the majority having a medium width nose, mesarine, 63.74%. These findings are useful in forensic science, helping identify individuals based on facial features, and plastic surgery, guiding reconstructive procedures. Since certain face and nose shapes are more common in specific racial or ethnic groups, such studies can aid in medical and legal investigations. However, more research is needed to fully understand all facial features and their variations. This study provides a foundation for future work in facial anthropology and its applications. Introduction. This study explores how facial and nose measurements can help identify differences among people, especially in Western Maharashtra, India. Scientists use anthropometry, the science of measuring the human body, to study features like face shape and nose type. These measurements are useful in forensics, identifying individuals, plastic surgery, and even understanding how climate and genetics influence physical traits. For example, people from cold climates often have longer, narrower noses, while those from warm, humid regions tend to have wider noses. Facial features also vary by race, ethnicity, age, and sex, making them important in medical and legal fields. In this study, researchers focused on young men, 18 to 20 years, from Western Maharashtra to measure their facial index, face height versus width, and nasal index, nose width versus height. The results help doctors plan surgeries, assist forensic experts in identification, and provide insights into regional physical traits. Understanding these variations ensures better cosmetic and reconstructive surgeries tailored to different ethnic groups. The research also supports forensic investigations by linking facial features to specific populations. Overall, this study highlights the importance of anthropometry in medicine, forensics, and anthropology, while encouraging more research to fully map human facial diversity. Conclusion. This study examined facial and nose shapes in men from Western Maharashtra, India, to understand common physical traits in the region. Researchers found that most men had a long, narrow face type, called leptoprosopic, 47.73%, and a medium width nose, mesarine, 63.74%. These features can vary based on genetics and environment, with certain traits being more common in specific populations. The findings are useful for plastic surgery, helping surgeons tailor procedures to regional facial structures. They also assist in forensic identification, where facial features can provide clues about a person's background. Since different groups have distinct facial characteristics, more research is needed to fully map these variations. This study adds valuable data for medical, anthropological, and forensic applications in Western Maharashtra. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.